Now, as a private practitioner, I think of legal aid, I've known legal aid as sort of the community law firm that takes all of the cases that nobody else would take. So let's talk about the different programs at legal aid.
Okay. Well, as you know, Mariano, we have about 17 different projects. I believe we're probably the largest legal aid now in the state of Florida. And our 17 projects fall into six different areas. Family advocacy, children's advocacy, elder law advocacy, health advocacy, individual rights advocacy, and community advocacy are the 6 areas which all our programs fall into.
And you also have a pro bono program as well, right? Let's talk about that for a minute.
Yeah, Palm Beach County has a very strong tradition of pro bono service. In fact, the Legal Aid Society was started in 1949 as a committee of the Palm Beach County Bar Association. And when it started, they had one attorney who answered questions over the phone and referred any litigation out to the private bar. So since 1949, the private bar has always been involved in legal aid work. And right now we have about 2,000 attorneys here in our county who do volunteer work for the Legal Aid Society, providing cases to help indigent people here.
Okay, and you know, from experience, I know that legal aid helps the most vulnerable, the most needy in our community. How do the cases get to legal aid?
A lot of it now is probably by word of mouth, but in addition, our funders, we're funded by the United Way of Palm Beach County as well as the United Way of Town of Palm Beach. They refer their clients to us. We're also looked upon as the legal arm of the nonprofit community here in Palm Beach County. So if any of the nonprofit agencies such as Boys and Girls Club, Adopt a Family, Harmony House, Seagull Industries, if any of them have a client who has a legal aid problem, they know to call legal aid to work on the legal issues. So a lot of it comes from our partner agencies in the town.
Sure, and we know that Palm Beach County has a very extensive network of nonprofit organizations, and so legal aid is sort of looked at as the general counsel to these organizations as well. Isn't that the case?
That's correct, yes. In fact, we have, as you know, we have about 42 agencies that we do provide legal assistance to with any issues that may come about regarding their maintenance and how they handle their personnel issues.
Well, you've been very gracious with your time today, and we very much appreciate it. If folks want to get more information about the Legal Aid Society, you'll see on the screen the URL for Legal Aid's website and the telephone number. You can call if you need help from Legal Aid or if you would like to make a contribution. Thank you very much, Bob, for your time.
Thank you, Mariano.
Appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
All right. Thanks.